Alright, I'll put, even though this is a nice cheese sauce, still put some cheese on top of it. There you go. He likes to eat raw cheese, y'all. There you go. Alright, we're still gonna put some cheese on top of it. We ain't finished yet. That ain't look right to me. I gotta add some extra stuff to this. That didn't look right. Let me get to my microwave here. My brand new microwave. That's why I still got the thing in there.
But yeet.
Yeet. Alright, now we gonna. It's so new, I don't know how to work it. Alright, we're gonna let that go for a minute. Now see, I got my nicely seasoned fries here. With the cheese crab sauce, crab meat cheese sauce, all that in there, that consistency you see, that lump consistency, all that is white crab meat. See that? White crab meat cheese sauce.
I know how to work on microwave.
Hmm?
I said I know how to work on microwave.
Let's pop it open, see what that cheese looking like on top of that.
Hmm?
Never mind. You so busy. Let's give it another little go. Press start.
I know what to do, man. Not a kid anymore.
Yeah, I don't think that just the cheese sauce, cheese crab sauce sitting on top, I don't think that's all it needs. I mean, this is a recipe that I'm making as I go along. So this is an item that I'm end up throwing on the menu. Somebody I served my seafood stuffed baked potato to one time. Why are you poking my stomach like I'm the Pillsbury Doughboy? Nothing says loving like crab fries from the oven. Cut it out. Now, don't let them overdo. Open and check them out. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Whoa.
Now that's a whole nother. Hold that. I'll knock myself down. Because I'm so excited. I'm so excited over this. Now we're gonna put a little garnish on top. We're gonna put garnish on the top. Because that's what
I made a mistake.
That's what chefs do. Now look at that. Now made a mistake in what?
No, I said that.
Oh. Now, only thing I'm missing is probably some sour cream to throw on top.
No, I hate sour cream.
You don't like sour cream? But that's that. Open my package there. Open my package and get me a fork out of there.
Well, I get myself a spoon.
Now look at that. My plate is so much better. Look at all that cheesiness.
Can I try?
And then you got the cheese sauce. Now I got it right. Now this is how it's supposed to be.
Can I try?
This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah. A fork and a knife and a spoon, bro.
It's a spoon and a knife, man. Get your.
Now let's see the difference now. It's hot.
Oh! It's too hot. But it's good though. It's too hot though.
I got mine down.
Put mine in the fan.
Uh-huh. That's it.
I still got mine on the fan, y'all.
We put a little bit of this on top. If you gonna make it nasty, make it nasty. Look at that cheese. Look at that. Look at that. He over here burning his mouth up. Look at that cheese. Look at the drip on that cheese. Look at the drip on that cheese. Oh my God.
It's good, y'all.
He's burning his mouth up over here. He had to grab some water. But y'all, Thanks to a shout out to a special someone. I make a good seafood stuffed loaded baked potato. And this special someone said you need to make some fries like that. Some loaded fries. So here it is.
Can you put me more fries?
You want more?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I gotta go. He wants some more fries, so I'm gonna finish my video. You not dying. But look at that. Look at that. Look at the drip on that. Lord. So this person said you need to do that with fries. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna probably stop making that loaded baked potato and start making loaded fries instead. Because a potato is a potato, right?
No, potatoes are French fries, don't you?
No, they're not. I mean, yes, they are, but it's a potato first. But, you big dummy. But, that's a good idea. And it's a lot less time consuming to make loaded fries than it is to make a loaded baked potato. So I'll keep the loaded baked potato for the house for dinner. But when I'm out here serving it up, it's going to be the loaded fries. Alright? So we got ourselves a winner here. Yeah? Let's see what Alf think about it. What you think, Alf? We got ourselves a winner? I forgot how Alf talks. Before you get up for that final snack, I want you to know that I'll be right back. Ah! Something like that.
Are you sure? Fuck yeah.
He just knocked Alf out. Yeah, man. We out.
I believe that Alf got bed bugs.
You can't get... Oh, my nails dirty. I ain't got no business cooking right now.
You don't got no business with my food.
But yeah, so we out here, man. You gotta get the crinkle fries. Lord have mercy. Yeah.
Make sure you like this video on Facebook.
I might throw it up on YouTube too.
Hey, we'll put it on YouTube. Well, if he does put it on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. The YouTube channel is Nature Boy Rick Hair.
No, that's the old channel. It's now Chef Anthony Albritton. I told you today I changed it.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah. All right, we out of here.
Mm.
Bye.
Mm.